guys, good morning. Quick update. I'm so happy because our fridge is here. Look. And shout out to my tito. It cost 3,500 guys pag fix nito guys. But I need, you know what guys? I need to buy some spray paint, you know. If I had a budget guys, hopefully we get more sales, you know. So we're gonna buy paint for this rust guys. But you know what guys, it's better that I fix this one because I don't have any budget for new refrigerator. But this is all good guys, it's so good guys. But now yeah, we don't have yet any meat or something because our fridge this is bago pa lang napagawa guys. So ayan, egg muna. Thank you for watching.
Nakakuha mo hinuan.